Hey guys. Hi Mom, Dad. Here's my ducks. Got the video going. My phone. There's my duckies. What do you think? Got the two brown Indian runners. The one with the weird bent neck is an Indian runner, but it's got a neck disease. It's going to be like that forever, unfortunately. But the two black and white ones are a certain type of macaw thing, and the two white ones are a meat duck. They got a little pond there. Gonna dump it out and actually fill it back up again. Looks like it's getting a little stagnant. Then they got this little yard area, a little spot they can go in between the trees, and their little nesting area, another little water source. And they come around. There's the little nesting area there, and they got a little duck house there. We can go in and out, get eggs from, and have them get out from the weather. Come over here, and you got the entrance to the chicken coop. And you got the little gazebo set up with them with a little perch in there and a watering thing. And then a corral alleyway that goes down to the coop. Oh, here's my little compost pile. There's the chicken coop. As you can see back in there, some nesting boxes, watering bucket. Got a clear Lexan roof. Open sides with some screening. And then across from that, we've got this little primitive barn board roof that I'm making, and a little fenced in area down here. I'm hoping we're going to be able to put a pig in here and use this as a little pig pen. So as you can see, you got this whole open pasture here behind the ducks. Little spot there that's open, that's going to be a gate to go in and out of, to get in and out. It'll make it a little easier. And then back to there. So, oh, you see my crossbow target over there in the background. Alright, well there's my duckies, and show you the farm a little bit. Oh, we'll come back this way. Got the American flag up, as you can see. And then, as you can see, the last resort sign.